You might be ready to dive into YouTube, but what do you make your first video about? If you have that question, stay tuned because I'm going to be able to share with you what to create your first or next YouTube video about. If you're already using YouTube and you're looking to really grow content ideas, this video is still going to help you, so stay tuned. My name is Anita, and I'm a video marketing and social media strategist. I own FDS Creatives, and I help business owners just like you get more visible through video marketing and content repurposing. Go ahead and hit the like button so that I know that you're looking for more information on how to leverage YouTube for your business. And while you're there, go ahead and subscribe. I create new content every week to really give you actionable steps to market your business. If you're looking to leverage YouTube and you would like to avoid some of the common mistakes people make, go ahead and grab my free guide below that's going to share with you the common mistakes entrepreneurs are making on YouTube and how you can avoid them. All right, so you want to know what to say in your first or next YouTube video. To get started, you want to make sure that you can introduce yourself. Now, when you're introducing yourself on video, it doesn't need to be super long. You don't need to tell your whole life story, but you do need to tell people your name and very succinctly what you do. Now, I will say it is helpful if you can tell them the impact that what you do provides. This is true in any marketing. Believe it or not, telling someone that you help them to grow their business or you help them to get more leads, that's a good starting point. But what you want to do is connect that to the real results they're going to see. Once you've introduced yourself, you want to make sure to dive into value-driven information. So a few ideas for you would be to, one, go ahead and share your origin story. This would be the story that explains how it is that you got to where you are. Now, you don't need to word vomit every detail of your life. Keep these thoughts really close to what it is that you do. But when people can understand how you got to where you are, it can help them to trust you. And as humans, we're really interested in the stories that helped shape people. Here on my channel, I've shared some of my story, and I've done that in many videos in part, but you could make a whole video talking about it. Another idea for you would be to create a key video that's going to help someone have a quick win in their business. Now, I specifically make content targeted at helping business owners. And so when I'm talking about helping someone else in their business, that would be more helpful to someone serving other business owners. But let's say you're not serving business owners, you still can teach something that's going to help your ideal client, whoever they are. Ask yourself, what could you teach them in just a couple of minutes that could really help them? This can be really beneficial to them, and they're going to know that you can help them because you have helped them by giving them some valuable information. A third idea for you to create content is to think about the common questions that you're getting. These are the maybe most frequently asked questions, or maybe the questions that you had when you were looking into getting started with what you're doing. These are the things people are probably Googling. And it might not be the questions that you want them to ask, but it is the questions that they are asking. When you can meet people where they're at, you can teach them and help them to grow to where it is that you might provide an opportunity for them. So when people are looking for content, to give you an example, some people might be typing in questions like how to get more subscribers on YouTube or how to grow their business. And my content can help to answer some of those questions. Ultimately, the questions that are going to make a difference in someone's business are, how can my marketing be more effective and efficient? But I know that my ideal client might not be typing that in. I've got to meet them where they are searching and then help them to see the benefit of effective and efficient marketing. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to view your first YouTube video like your first pancake. And it might have been when you were first making pancakes that you didn't quite know when to exactly flip the pancake over. And so this can result in a couple of things. Either it was cooked on the outsides and not cooked on the inside, or maybe it was burned on one side and sticky on the other. Whatever your beginning pancake status looked like, your first videos do not have to be perfect. In fact, they will not be perfect because perfect doesn't exist. When you give yourself permission to get started and create a video, from there you can see, how can I improve from this video to the next one? That's what I do here on my channel. Are all my videos perfect? No, none of them. But using YouTube for my business has been the game changer for my business, and I would love for that to be the case for you. Maybe you haven't thought of using YouTube for your business, but you're interested in it. If so, I want you to go ahead and watch the video I'm going to put on the screen on what you need to be successful on YouTube. Believe it or not, it's probably not the things you think. So go ahead and click and watch that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the best on your first and next YouTube video. Have a great day.